Hey there, it's Eric from Eric's Edge. I want to tell you about an awesome idea RToD is promoting for January. As he points out, we usually find the retro people we follow from recommendations. They can be from the YouTube algorithm, or just by searching YouTube, you can discover new retro computing YouTubers. But most often, the recommendation comes from someone I'm following. So, for January, RToD is encouraging us to share something about people we follow. You can search for the hashtag RetroJanuary to find recommendations. My first recommendation is RetroTech or Die. Surprise. Not just for suggesting Retro January. RetroTech or Die covers retro technology and has a wealth of experience to share. Like myself, he has an interest in analog technology. In this video, he discusses his experience as a diver and the technology used for planning and tracking your dive. He covers the science behind diving as well as the digital and analog devices used before, during, and after a dive. RetroTech or Die also helps the community by reviewing products. Recently, he compared the inexpensive Quinn electronics repair kit from Harbor Freight with the iFixit ProTech kit. Videos like these are a valuable reference for enthusiasts on a budget like myself. The Quinn toolkit is half the cost of the iFixit toolkit. As you may know, I'm into retro analog and digital technologies, and one of my favorite analog pastimes is cooking. Baking specifically, but I like food. Here's a YouTuber I'd like to suggest if you enjoy eating, and who doesn't. Chef John's Food Wishes channel. Chef John has a very entertaining presentation style. It's a bit quirky and it's fun. He presents easy to follow recipes that taste great. Here's one for Italian beef and potatoes. It's a rustic dish that doesn't fail to please. I hope you enjoyed these recommendations and take a minute or two to search for others under the Retro January hashtag. See the description below for these recommendations and more. I hope you enjoyed these recommendations and take a few minutes to search for others under the Retro January hashtag. See the description below for these recommendations and more. And thanks for watching. I hope to be producing some more content shortly, and I'll see you the next time.